Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 11th question in exercise 9.1. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meters away from this point, on the line of joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. They've already given the figure to us. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So let's redraw the diagram and add the extra information that we know and fix the variables there. So they've given to you as a tower. So let's mark this ending line, and they've given to you there is a width. Two paths were marked. The angles of elevations were 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So this is going to be 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So this is 30 and 60 degrees. If the diagram they have given the corners, you need to reproduce the same. So this is A, B and C, D. So let's stick to the notation they gave. So this is A, B, C and D. CD is measured to be 20 meters. So this is already given to us. Height AB I am marking as H and BC as X. Now you need to find out both the height and the X. So H and X is what we need to find out. So let's mark the triangles first. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is going to be equal to AB divided by BD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to AB is H, BD is BC plus CD, so it is X plus 20. So which means X plus 20 is equal to H root 3. Now let's take up the second triangle. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to AB divided by BC. So this is root 3 is equal to H by X, or H is equal to H by root 3. I'm going to substitute this value of X, which is H by root 3, in this previous expression that we have. So this is H by root 3 plus 20 is equal to H root 3. I'm going to take LCM this side. So it is H plus 20 root 3 by root 3 is equal to H root 3. So this is, I'm going to take the root 3 other side. So this is H plus 20 root 3 is equal to root 3 into H root 3 is 3H. So 2H is equal to 20 root 3, or H is equal to 20 root 3 by 2. So H is equal to 10 root 3. Now what do you know the value of X to be? X is equal to H by root 3. So X is equal to 10 root 3 by root 3. So X is equal to 10 meters. So the width of the canal is going to be equal to 10 meters. That's what we found out. And the height of this particular building is going to be equal to 10 root 3. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 12th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.